Hey everyone, this is Ian here at Vaporleaf, and today I'm going to show you how to fill your Nord and how to prime the coils for your Nord. First, you're going to want to remove that pod from the top of your device, like so. The coil just pulls out, you don't have to screw anything in, so go ahead and pull that coil out of the bottom of your pod. If it's a new device, there will not be a coil in it, you'll have to pop it in yourself. You're going to want to go ahead and prime your coil. I like to put a few drops of juice down into that center hole and then wait to see if the cotton windows change color. Just keep doing that until it's saturated. Once your coil is nice and wet, go ahead and pop that coil back into the base of your pod. You're going to want to make sure you line up the flat side of your coil with the flat side of your pod. Alright, once that's popped in, flip the pod over. You'll see a little rubber seal there. Lift that up. In there is where you're going to want to fill your juice. So just insert the tip of your juice bottle or dropper into that hole, fill it up. Once your pod's full, pop that pod back onto the top of your device. Then you just turn it on with 5 quick clicks and you're ready to vape. While I've got you guys here, I would like to mention, if you plan on using the Nord for salt nicotine e-juices, do not use the 0.6 ohm coil. It's a very harsh, unpleasant experience. That coil is just a bit too powerful for salt nicotine. I would recommend sticking with the 1.4 ohm coil if that's the route you're going to go. That said, the 0.6 ohm mesh coil does taste fantastic with normal juice. It's my personal favorite for the Nord, just not with salt nicotine.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. You can pick this up on our website at vaporleaf.com or come check it out in our shop in Lakewood, Colorado. We'll see you next time. Bye.